You ever have one of these carts dump over on you because you weren't paying attention? It happened earlier this morning. 14 cubic yards of this mulch, wood chips, spreading it across the backyard over here. You don't want to wear shorts. Man, that'll produce a lot of problems. All this falling all over your legs and everything. But I got to work some of the fat off. It's not too good for the back, but it does exercise it. Let me tell you, especially when you stoop down real low. Work's got to be done. I could go lift weights, which I do, but why not do the work, get the exercise that way? All in moderation. Take a break after a while. I'm getting old, mid-60s, so gotta get her done. Someone's got to do it. Let me just take this, move it around, go to the front. Let's get outside and exercise a little bit.